Improving your nutrition will definitely improve your jiu-jitsu performance. Together, I've partnered up with Jordan to create the BJJ Performance and Longevity course. This will serve as a bit of an introduction to the nutrition section of that course. I'll be showcasing 3 main meals, a snack, and of course, a dessert. So in this video, the whole purpose of it is to showcase what an actual nutrition plan for a jiu-jitsu athlete should and can look like. As always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Jordan's channel for the best jiu-jitsu content on YouTube. Meal number 1 is a breakfast wrap with avocado and eggs. This meal has been made through the breakfast builder. The breakfast builder is essentially 4 different categories of food. It's a choose your own adventure. You select one from column 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can choose your protein, your carbs, your fat sources, and some greens as well. There's a breakfast builder, a lunch builder, and you guessed it, a dinner builder as well. The reason I love this meal so much is it has an awesome combination of protein, carbs, and fats. It's a little bit heavy on the fat side, particularly when we're including that avocado, but it is such a nutritious meal. Dig in. You can always replace the wrap with a wholemeal wrap. You can have it on toast. And again, you can choose your carb source with the breakfast builder. Meal number 2. So we have here an awesome steak, chips, and salad meal. You probably didn't think that steak, chips, and salad would be on a nutrition plan for performance, but believe it or not, that's what we're having. So we're gonna cook it in a bit of rosemary, and we have some baby spinach, red bell pepper, some sweet potato for sweet potato chips, and of course, your cut of steak. Steak I've got is a porterhouse, but you can pretty much go any cut of steak you'd like. Obviously, the fat content is gonna vary from cut to cut, but because our nutrition plan is centered around jiu-jitsu performance, sports performance, we're not really too concerned with getting your macros absolutely perfect. We're more concerned with eating the right food in a bracket or an acceptable macro range, an acceptable calorie range. So here we have the afternoon snack. I recommend this meal after training if you train midday or just before training, about 2 hours before training if you are someone that trains jiu-jitsu in the evenings. What we're gonna be using is high protein yogurt, or you can utilize a dairy-free option, or a Greek yogurt would work as well. A plain Greek yogurt is perfectly fine. We're gonna have some granola, it should be good to go. And we're gonna top it with some fresh berries. An alternate recipe that you'll find on the nutrition plan, one of my personal favorites, includes frozen berries, protein powder, and yogurt. So many different snacks though. We have protein balls, peanut butter cups, you name it. But this is a very quick and easy and one of my personal faves that I've been enjoying for years. And for dinner, we're gonna cook up a lemon salmon dish. This one's super quick. You can make it more intricate if you would like. You can throw in some garlic and some different herbs and spices and make even a side salad or something like that. There is a full recipe that you can follow on the nutrition plan, but for simplicity's sake and to show you how quick and easy it can be, we're gonna put some salmon in the pan with some fresh lemon, bit of broccolini on the side, and I just have some microwavable rice here. You can have basmati rice, you can have microwavable rice, whatever's easy and convenient. And last but not least, we have our dessert. For dessert, I'm going with a low calorie ice cream with 360 calories for the whole entire tub. You can also go with a high protein version, a high protein ice cream, or you can choose from the various different recipes, the dessert recipes there's on the nutrition plan. There's heaps, from sorbets to fruit-based desserts, even some mud cakes, all sorts of stuff to choose from there. Hopefully you got some meal inspirations, and hopefully I was able to show you that your nutrition plan doesn't need to be boring. It doesn't need to be shit food. You don't need to have boiled broccoli and chicken breast all the time. You can have a variety of different meals. I tried to calculate how many different combinations of meals and different variations based off of the nutrition plan, and it's hundreds. There's 7 different nutrition plans. Each nutrition plan has hundreds of different meal combinations, so you'll never get bored of your program. And the best thing is that it's specifically tailored toward your goals that you calculate. If you want to learn more about the course, if you want to just rip straight in and get your hands on the course, check a link in the description to this video. And thanks so much to Jordan for hosting this video on his channel and doing all the amazing things that you all know and love. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to Jordan's channel. If you want to check out what I do, we'll leave a link to my social media and my YouTube channel in the description here. But if you want to find it, it's Kieran Lefebvre Jiu-Jitsu on YouTube and Kieran Lefebvre on Instagram. So check it out, and thanks for watching.
Good boy.